Hello, I'm Gary Finkley with the Finkley Law Firm. I wish to report to you that the Chief Justice of the South Carolina Supreme Court has opened the door for foreclosure actions as well as evictions to proceed on May 15, 2020. Judge Beatty issued this order on April 30th. And of course, you can obtain a copy of that order online from the South Carolina Judicial Department. The main point of this order is that if you currently have an eviction filed, you need to also file a certification of compliance with the CARE Act. And this form can also be found on the judicial website. In essence, what you're doing is you are certifying that this property is not financed pursuant to Section 4024A1 of the CARE Act. If it is, you have limitations on proceeding with foreclosure. You also have to designate whether or not the property is a low-income housing tax credit property, if it's federally subsidized under any HUD program, or if it's rented to persons with Section 8 vouchers. All of those, if so, there are limitations on proceeding with eviction. The same rule applies for foreclosures. Foreclosure actions can continue. However, those lawyers seeking foreclosure must file this certification before proceeding further. If you file an eviction, you need to file the certification with the eviction. Courthouses will begin opening on May 15th to resume eviction hearings, set-out proceedings, as well as foreclosures. The order specifically allows the courts to exercise discretion in regard to practicing certain social distancing practices, as well as mandates, in fact, some practice, such as staggering court terms. So if you have any questions regarding evictions or foreclosures, please feel free to contact our office, 843-317-4900, 843-317-4900. In our practice, we represent a lot of landlords as well as a lot of tenants. So we see these issues from both sides of the spectrum. Thank you very much, and we hope that you are being safe, and thank you for your continued patronage to our firm.